Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit 4xe in diamond black crystal pearl. With LED headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, side distance warning, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, heated second row seats, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, 10.1-inch rear entertainment screens, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7356.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.